Okay, we are trading him. See what we have moving here. Trading the midday. This one's been seeing quite a bit of action. Not a huge list on the screener today. Um, this is not. I mean, there's no news. There's this fluctuation, and there's this top, and this strong resistance. So if we look at it on a footprint chart, like it's just this doesn't look good to me. This looks like it might be fun to short, but I'm not shorting. Wearable devices again. I've traded now. Okay, so S&P 500's up today, but I don't see anything that says, okay, I want any stock so far that says I want to trade this. Like, yeah, this would have been profitable, but look at that. Look at it absorb. You know how it just like okay, it could break, it could go on a run, but like technically that's a C tier trade if I wanted to take that. But it looked like a lot of noise to me, so um, not quite what I typically look for. What was it? There was an ETF, leverage ETF that I actually liked. Yeah, the CRM. This is not a bad pullback, but actually it doesn't even meet the five or three criteria. Yeah, it sucks. Where I might be the king of missing moves, honestly. Might be the king of missing moves. Well, at least I don't feel the FOMO anymore. Back down below the open of the bar. Dude, there is nothing moving. Wow. Shorts got in heavy, dude. Dude, and this is what I'm talking about. When you look at this footprint, like this is exactly what I'm talking about. Look at this. See that right there? Look at all this buy volume at the top. All these buyers got trapped and just bam to the bottom. I am half tempted to do some arbitrage strategies because none of this price action is anything I like. Really. Like, I'm literally about to. There we go. I'm looking for stocks with really low volume now. Something that's cheap with really low volume. That way I can kind of abuse the bid-ask spread. What? Oh, 122 to 127. That's a 5 cent spread. We got this chop. I don't know how the orders are going to hit the order book right now, but let me put in 5 shares. We'll hit it once, and if we get good effect, I'll go ahead and continue with the process. Go ahead and buy limit down. We're gonna limit down to 22 and see if we can get it. So many people are doing the same thing, you know. Our stack is to the buy side, so it's gonna be hard to buy. It's gonna be easy to sell because we are stacked to the buy side. 2,000 on the, well, total size is, yeah. Oh crap, I was muted. Yeah, I mean, I'm struggling to even get into these stocks. Honestly, I bought at the bid. If we go up one, can we get in? We're now beating the bid. We're the first order that's going to go through. We may have chosen stocks where the volume is so low that we're not going to get the orders off. I'm going to go for something that's slightly higher. Oh, this might be a good one. Okay. Zero hitting the time in sales. Ask that's stacked heavily. And the bid, 7 cents. See what we can do here. No, no. There's nothing there. Huh? I'm going to try something in the 200,000 day range. This has actually got a trend, but the spread is, I mean, it's actually not bad. Can we get in? Dude, this is crazy, man. I can't even get into any of these. I'm trying. I'm trying, but if somebody's stacking on 774, spread just closed. And now I have to match it. Whoa, that's a nice spread. This one came up on my other list, but I wouldn't think about spread trading this, but now I am. Yes, it could come crashing down, but it's stalling out volume wise. And we actually have some flow in the time and sales, but we're crashing down. Um, oh, our spread just closed. That sucks. I'm willing to keep an eye on it though. You'd think I'd be able to get into a stock like this. What's our spread now? 74.81. Oh, my bid is no longer competitive. That's a problem. Is our spread still good? It's great. Which one did I go through on? EAF, EAF. Are we down? We're down. We gotta sell the ask. We gotta get out. We just toppled. Okay. Barely, because we had to protect ourselves there. See, that just kind of got this wick of volume, um, which is cool. Is our spread is only 5 cents now. On a $7 stock, I'm no longer interested. We survived this one, but um, yeah, I don't know if I'm interested in that anymore. Yeah, spread's closing. Okay, on to the other ones. Oh wait, we're already on that. Yeah, this spread is huge. Come on. There's no ask. That's the problem. And if there's like no ask, I mean, there's some, but oh yeah, wasn't I looking at NCT? What's the spread on this? The spread is big again. What? Am I not allowed to trade this? Where's the stock from? No info? Okay, well, I guess that's off the books. I'm not, I don't think I'm gonna be able to get in on this. And the spread's down to 5 cents. Uh, 6 cents? Or is it worth it? Yeah, I don't think these are gonna work out because they just don't even have enough. It seems like this strategy works better on stocks that have enough volume to actually do this, but are stalling later in the day. I was looking at this. We got no news. It's on ADBE. No news. But we have S&P 500 stalling at the top today. And for this, we got VWAP bounce, loosely moving averages. We don't have the RSI. We don't really have much charge, so I can't even trade this. Yeah, this is not within my criteria. OMH. Bounce off of VWAP. No news. VWAP, no this is no. What is this gonna do for me? Oh, what is this? We got VWAP, um, structure, moving averages loosely. Loosely, I say. Can we calculate risk for this really quick before it continues higher? Or would we put a stop at 371? And then also check it out here. So volume, if we don't have volume with this move, I don't want to get in this high. I'd rather get in off the bounce. Now this is not so fun. Although I'm willing to buy bid. I'll buy bid to get in. That's all though. I'm not doing more than buying bid to get in. And then the reason is because we're already elevated and this could be a key rejection. Our ask is stacked a little heavy, if I'm being honest. Here. Like it could be a key rejection. New bid is 76. Come on. Just drop to bid. Somebody, please. Dude, why am I having such a hard time getting on bid? And then as soon as I get in on bid, I actually go down, which is fun. So I feel like I'm forcing trades right now. I do. Um, I will take 5 off at 379. It's not even high. I'll take 2 off at 379. We're not getting continuation on this. We have volume top. I knew better. Why am I in this trade? Like the potential of this stock is low. But if we can hang above VWAP, why does it say 15 shares? I don't know. Weird. Dude, I don't like this. All that sell volume. I mean, if we check down, I'm cool, but like I need to be ready to execute this soft stop. As long as we can push up off of VWAP and like this is just me getting in very early, um, I'm cool with it. But yeah, this is not, we just got structure VWAP and I mean, dude, is that really even a moving average support? Or did we force this trade? Because that's pretty weak statement. From here, it would have been. If I got in from here, then the trade is completely valid from here to here. I would have already taken half the trade off. We would have been sitting, but this may have been something that I got a bad entry in. Now, the good news is the S&P 500 is continuing up higher. That's the good news. The bad news is that our entry is not ideal, and we're pushing into our stop now. I think I'm gonna have to put a hard stop in, honestly. I'm gonna have to put the hard stop in because I don't want to screw up. So if we lose this trade, I don't see myself making any smart decisions after this. So I'm just gonna call it. I don't think I'm thinking well at all. I'm surprised I'm still in this trade. S&P 500 is pushing higher today, aggressively. It makes you want to be a futures trader. Yeah, this is why you stick to your stop and you don't go, oh, it's losing momentum because you're saying it invalidates at that stop point. So if it's not invalid, then why would you sell? Although, is this? We saw this. Oh, that's a resist. I would sell there. That would be a nice sell. Dude, this is that's a B tier trade. Well, no, we have moving average, VWAP, structure, not RSI quite, not at the entry, we don't. But yeah, that would have been like a nice C tier trade. That would have ran up through two. I don't know why I didn't see that. I am the king of missing trades. King. That looks like weakness. I'm gonna see if I can get 5 shares out, kind of ahead, this is probably dumb. No, this is dumb. Stick to your rules. Don't change anything. Okay, there we go. Yeah. Stick to your rules. Don't change anything. We did it. We're out. Thank God we're out. Okay. Um, this stock pushing higher, making me mad. Cool. Um, man, my brain feels foggy. The FOMO is kicking in. Uh, I think I need to take the red day and not get overconfident because there's really nothing. I'm gonna take the red day. Like the arbitrage trades were a good idea, but I just couldn't get into any of them with a good enough spread. So that's okay. That is okay. I'm gonna go ahead and finish.